Hello everyone. Today is the first day of journey to Lapchi mountain, and we came from Kathmandu to Llama by jeep, and it took 7 to 8 hours.
Thank you was Luchi.
Tujicheya. Good morning to all. Today is our second day of journey to Lapchi mountain, and right now we are in Llama is the Sherpa village, the height of 1900 meters from sea level. And from the Llama you need to go by walk. And the second day of trek, the trails would be a little bit messy and quite physically challenged. You need to walk, climb ups and down sometime. But interesting thing is that you walk along in the forest, and then you can see the beautiful wildflowers, and sometime you can see the prayer flags hanged by those pilgrimage and then local people. And sometimes you can walk along in the rivers, and you can see the beautiful waterfall beside. And if you are so fortunate, you can see the mountain deers as well. Oh. Second night we stay in Num Nom Village, and Num Nom Village is also called the winter village. During the winter time, the villagers move to Num Nom, and it's not too cold, that altitude of 2700 meters from sea level. And the local villagers used to stay here for 5 months. So on the third day of trek to Lapchi mountain is one of the most interesting part, that you can see a lot of beautiful things around. And the best season for trekking to Lapchi is end of March to June. So if you could on that time, that will be awesome. So those who have a high sickness, so they can stay at Tanjamur, is a good idea. That it is height of 3200 meters from sea level. So Tanjamur usually called by local people, which means the big land. So local people usually travel up and down. They used to stay there for 2 weeks while they're grazing the yaks and kettles. So Tanjamur, you can see a lot of beautiful flowers, especially the wildflower Lododendron, which is the national flower of Nepal. And you can see a lot of other wildflowers as well. Before we reach our Lapchi Komba, we met our Lapchi retreat lamas, yogis on the halfway, that they came from other mountains for pilgrimage, and then they returned to Lapchi. So we especially we met our Rinpoche, the Dorjen Thendro Palden Rinpoche. We start to enter in the Lapchi Karhka Monastery along with the Rinpoche. Today is another bright day for us, and you can see the beautiful weather and blue sky and bright sunshine, and then surrounded by the snowy mountain. So today our planning is to go see the local village nomadic lifestyle, and we will shortly show you all. And now we're just climbing up, and you can see there's the yaks, they are grazing. We reach here for one nomadic camp, and we have tea here, and then move again further. And today our destination is here, and you can see the beautiful view This area they height altitude of 4,600 meter from sea level. Today we stay here for one night, and then next day we'll move back to Lapchi Karhka. So today they are going to move to another place. Good morning everyone, and good morning from Lapchi Mountain. Today I would like to introduce a little bit about the Lapchi Snow Mountain, its holy site. Lapchi Snow Mountain is situated in the eastern part of Nepal at a height of 4,600 meters from sea level. It is one of the 24 places in the world associated with Charasamvada, at the deity of highest yoga tantra of Tibetan Buddhism. Lapchi is revealed as a speech mandala of Charasamvada, while the Mount Kailash is body mandala and Charu is mind mandala. The Lapchi had been blessed by Padmasambhava and many great masters from India such as Saraha. Especially in the 8th century, Yuthok Yungampo, the daughter of King Tisong Dujen, came to meditate in Lapchi, the cave where he meditated, now known as the Yuthok Cave. Today we are going to pilgrimage to Yuthok Cave, and on the way to Yuthok Cave we can see a lot of different herbs, medicine plants, and that's why the Yuthok came to Lapchi. And Lapchi they have a lot of medicinal plant, as you know. And so the height of the Yuthok Cave is 4,300 meters from sea level, and here you can see the beautiful landscape and the view to see the Lapchi Karhka, and then you can see the rooted herds over there, and then you can see the local village home, and you can see the beautiful valley. Now we are entering the Yuthok rooted hut, and this rooted hut recently built. Today we have two guests from Lapchi rooted Yoki, and this is a kitchen. And this time we have one guest from Estonia. His name is Ivo. He stay here for 5 days retreat, and this is a prayer hall, so need to set soon. Yeah, from here you can see a very beautiful view. Oh, it is quite early actually. I wake up, and it's also cold. The last day there's snowfall, and anyway, I just came here to see my eldest brother. He came here, and 2 days ago, he needs some field work here. So you see the snow in there. Yeah, accidentally I saw the two blue sheeps here just near my house, so I just took some video and photos. They are quite scary.